Hi guys, today I've got an easy, elegant chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears. And I'm just going to clip this out of the way on the right hand side while I take the same size section on the left. Bring these two sections together at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Then I've just used a little bit of spray wax to control the flyaways. I'll pop all the products I use below. Next, take a chunk of hair on the left hand side and I'm going to do a simple 3-strand braid, working my way down about 2/3 of the hair. Gently use your fingers to pinch and pull the edge of the braid to make it more voluminous, and then secure everything off with another elastic band. I'm going to take the same size section on the right hand side and create one more braid, the same as I did on the other side. Now I've got a topsy tail tool and I'm just going to slip this behind the left hand section. You can do this with your fingers, but it is definitely easier with this hair tool. Take the right hand braid, pass the ends through the loop and then pull it all the way through. Then just secure with a bobby pin or two. And then I'm going to put that hair tool on the right hand side. Take the left hand braid, cross it over and pass the ends through the loop, and again pull it all the way through. Then secure with another couple of bobby pins. Pop the rest of the hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to add some texture powder, and I'm just going to put this right on top of the ponytail. Then I'm gently going to tease the top few inches and then pop a clear elastic band about halfway down the ponytail. I've cut up a bun donut, so I've got a little bit of padding and I'm just folding it into a small rectangle shape. I'm just going to spread the top of that ponytail out and lay the padding on top. Bring your ends up and over the padding and then start rolling it towards the nape of the neck. And we're going to make sure we want to roll it so you can't see the elastic band, and then just use your fingers to spread it out over the padding and secure all the way around that chignon with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's their finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.